So we're going to talk about George Polya and his 4 steps for problem solving. George was a Hungarian mathematician who was very active in the middle 1900s. He was a mathematician, but he was exceedingly interested on how people solve problems at any level of mathematics and really about solving problems in any field, not just math, but everyday life. So he wrote a fantastic book called How to Solve It and boiled down solving problems to 4 steps. So you can see that George says mathematics is being lazy. It's letting the principles work for you so that you don't have to do the work for yourself. So the first step is to understand the problem. So you're going to read the problem, make sure that all the words make sense to you. And you're going to think, have I seen anything like this before? Um, are there any previous experiences I have that can help me solve the problem? If you can't restate the problem, then you probably don't understand it. Look and see if you have information that you need and don't have, or figure out if there are some things that maybe you don't need after all. Step 2 is to make a plan, a strategy. And so I'd like you to stop the slideshow and think about the ways that you use to solve problems. And we're going to kind of check and see if things on your list will match some of the things in my list that I've gotten from students over the years. So stop, make your list, and then come back. So here's the tools for making a plan. So we're going to maybe draw a picture. Students do this a lot, especially in the elementary grades. Write down everything that you know for sure. You might organize it by making a chart or a table. You might make an equation that describes what's going on. Acting it out is a really fun way to solve problems. Use a formula that you can look up or you already know. Random guessing is not good, but guessing and checking in an organized way is a totally valid method for problem solving. Here's some more. You can work backwards. You can divide things into cases, maybe evens and odds, or small and big, very different ways. You can make the problem easier and see if you can solve that one. That may give you a route to the bigger problem. Rule out things that aren't going to work and use appropriate tools, whether that's going to be a calculator, a computer, maybe something that helps you measure. All of those things and many, many more give you step 2, make a plan. Step 3 is to carry out the plan, and it's what it sounds like. So basically, my only advice here is that sometimes things don't work. You may have to stop and revise your plan. Don't get discouraged. Take a break when you need to. And go back and reread the problem. It may also give you a good idea. Step 4, look back. This is the step that distinguishes a great problem solver from one who's just okay. You should always look back, think about what you learned. Think if you can make up some new problems that are similar. See if you can generalize, or maybe can you apply your answer to something else. You should see if your answer, of course, is reasonable. Make sure you've answered the question. Units, make sure that your units are right. That will all help. But see if you can find a better way to solve the problem than the way you just did. Sometimes knowing the answer helps you find another route. And so if you as a teacher encourage this kind of behavior that we're seeing on this slide, you are going to have really strong math students, teaching students how to persist and how to communicate and how to reflect. Those things are really special skills that you can pass along. The 4 steps. I like the quote. The open secret of real success is to throw your whole personality into your problem. Now I'm going to put 3 problems on the last slide. I'd like you to work on those and bring your ideas to class. Show your work, and we'll take some time to go over these and some new ones at our next class. So that's Polya's 4 steps. I hope you have a great day. Thanks.